My name is Oscar Buitrago, and I will talk about the effect of technology on the environment. Um, Nowadays, more people are working longer hours and utilizing more technology in their everyday life. Because these longer hours and increase use of technology, more energy in being consumed. The impact that is having on the environment this is having on the environment is substantial in both negative and positive ways. The benefits of the both modern technology mm, is in the industry and our everyday life. There are also some positive and ecological impacts. However, there are considered negative impacts as well, such as global warming. So now, um, future of our planet. Um, the future is uncertain. If people and industry continue to pollute without ecological control, um, or awareness. I bet on worthful educational hope. In this life, the chance to see a life renewable planet, and how to mitigate the environment damage. So, some negative effects will be air and water pollution and depletion of natural resources. Some positive effect will be renewable energy, smart technology, which is where you can link, for example, you ask for your phone to control the happiness in your home, and electric vehicles which don't produce CO2 and don't need fossil fuels to work. And to mitigate this damage too, I consider that it's especially important that people educate themselves and take actions such as renewable energy and recycling. It's very important, I think. Uh, Thank you so very much for your comments, and will be another time. Thank you.